Now on to one of my favorite parts of the SLM 500, the removable build cylinder. When designing the system, we looked at the entire process holistically. One major productivity killer, and therefore cost driver, was the idle time of the system required to allow the cylinder to cool down after the build job and depowder inside the process chamber. For over a decade now, we've been equipping all our production-oriented machines with such removable build cylinder. Right after the job, the entire cylinder gets pushed out to the side, ready to be placed in our PRS to cool down, but more importantly, to load another build cylinder to get your next job going. That way, you can reduce the time between jobs to less than 1 hour. All this makes our SLM 500 a versatile yet powerful metal additive manufacturing machine. Thanks to its open architecture, it gives operators the freedom to precisely fine-tune processes to get the maximum out of it.
Would you like to learn more about us, our products, or specifically want to start your journey with the SLM 500? Then visit us at nikonslmsolutions.com or get in touch with your regional sales manager. Our highly skilled team of application engineers supports you by analyzing your part and performing an accurate business case analysis, including total cost of ownership prediction. Because at Nikon SLM, we see our customers as partners, and it is our mission to empower yours.